I hit the thrift store recently and picked up a bunch of mismatched candle holders and vases. Are you ready? Let's make some Museum of Natural History bird and butterfly dioramas. For this project, you'll need those big, clunky candle holders you can find at the thrift store. They don't have to match and should be different sizes. You'll also need some shimmery metallic paint or gold spray paint. Paint the candlesticks in metallic gold or whatever you prefer. Try using a dry brush technique to let some of the undertones show, and this will give it a more antique look. Next, you want to seal them with a spray acrylic or some Maker's Magic. I love this stuff. Gather up a selection of glass vases. Make sure they fit on the top or bottom of your candlestick holders. The bottoms are often wider, so flipping them over worked for me. Trace the mouth of the vase on some styrofoam and cut it out so it fits just inside. Pick out some faux vines and branches, also a thrift store purchase, and some fake birds and butterflies. Stick the branches and vines into the styrofoam, and while you're doing this, make sure they fit nicely into the vase. Wire or glue the birds and butterflies to the vines. Paint the styrofoam green and then glue on some moss to the base. Glue the entire structure to the candle holder and place the glass over it. Make sure it looks exactly the way you want it to. Get some metal trim, or you could use metallic fabric trim if you can't find the metal trim. I did see some metal trim at Dollar Tree not long ago. Cut it to fit around the mouth of the vase, paint it if you want to, and then glue it in place with industrial glue. Put a rubber band around it to keep it in place while it dries. There you go, bird and butterfly dioramas. I really love these. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I'll see you next week. Bye.